Hello everyone, in this video I will be covering the adjustability for 9to5Seating's new at-once chair, the 206. The 206 features a simple Synchro control mechanism, an integrated seat slider, and an adjustable lumbar for enhanced comfort and adjustability. The tilt function has one position tilt lock. To unlock the tilt, pull the paddle on the right side outward. This allows the backrest to recline with your movement. To lock the tilt in place, simply push the paddle back in. To adjust the seat height, lift the paddle upward to activate the height adjustment. To raise the seat, pull the paddle up and sit up. To lower the seat, pull the paddle up while seated. To adjust the seat depth, a pull tab located on the left side beneath the seat allows for seat depth changes. Pull the tab underneath the seat on the left side to slide the seat forward for more legroom. Pull the tab again to slide the seat back for a closer fit. To adjust the lumbar behind the back, slide the lumbar up or down. To adjust the arm height, push the tab button on the inside of the arm and raise the arm up or down.